Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is my Balanced Literacy E-Unit. The theme of my Balanced Literacy E-Unit is based on the life of plants and flowers. I believe that this was an important concept to touch on because the life and the growth of plants is all around us. It is important for students to learn about the growing process and how things are created in nature, especially things we use in our everyday lives. My Balanced E-Unit connects well with the content area of first and second graders readers, but other resources could be altered to meet the needs of other students in various grade levels. The standards are addressed because the goal is to support comprehension of students. This approach of my theme-balanced E-Unit will support a community of learners because I have taken into consideration all the needs of students before planning. There are a few different sections within my E-Unit that will greatly support the needs of all my students. The first section is labeled Related Literature. And this is my first page. Here's my related literature. Here is where I have listed many different engaging books that vary in gender, reading level, and diverse content that all still fall under the plant and flowering theme of my unit. I can give students the books they need by providing them with a variety of different literature for them to choose from, hoping they latch onto something that sparks their eye. As an educator, it is important to display many different books to meet the needs of all students in the classroom. Within my Balanced Literacy E-Unit, I have 3 other tabs with helpful units to use in the classroom. The first tab is my Shared Reading tab. In this section is a plan for a shared reading lesson, including the book Oh Say Can You See by Bonnie Worth. Within this lesson, I use explicit instruction on sight words, phonics rules, and much more. It is important to grow students' spelling and reading skills, especially during a shared reading word study. And here I have my lesson. The next page is a unit on guided reading. During this unit, I use the book The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. I use this book for guided reading because it demonstrates sequencing. Sequencing can be an easy kind of theme within a book for students to follow while they are guided reading. I demonstrate how to go over the pictures in the book and activate background knowledge by asking questions about the cover and also about the seeds. Here's where I demonstrate my guided reading. The next page of my balanced unit is my ReadAloud book, including my 3 lesson sequence. I chose the book Chrysanthemum by Kevin Hanks. I believe this book was a great choice because the storyline is interesting but also teaches a lesson about bullying. During my read aloud portion, there were tons of questions to be asked during the reading for comprehension. Another section of my 3 sequence lesson plan was creating a writing prompt for students to draw reflections based on the book. It is good for students to think about their own experiences after reading and relate them to the text. And here is my read aloud plan with my 3 parts. And right above it is the link to my YouTube to the read aloud portion. And the last section within my balanced E-Unit is the ebook I created. The book I created is about a girl named Sally that plants seeds and learns about the growth of a seed. I made sure to include repetition and rhyming to help students better understand the story, along with helping them remember important details. Students can become assured during my Balanced E-Unit by taking each lesson plan and taking all the steps I provided to open up their imagination to more learning opportunities. And here's my book. If you click here, Sally has always loved flowers. She wondered where they came from. Her grandpa gave her seeds and said, "Sally, you have a green thumb." Sally dug a hole to place her seeds in the ground. Sally loves flowers. She couldn't wait for them to grow all around. Sally knew she had to be patient while waiting for them to grow. Sally started to water them daily, so eventually they would start to show. Sally started to see them peek through the ground and kneel down lowly. Sally saw them sprouting into flowers ever so slowly. Sally was so happy with her flower results. Sally was so very happy that she felt little like an adult. And that's the end of my book. My Balanced Literacy e-unit incorporates many different aspects for all learners. I hope it will meet the needs of many students. Thank you.